Guys, you need to clean your AC. I think is the AC opener into the ceiling. Because look, these molds. We clean it with this. Okay, the germ killer right here, the mold killer. Yeah, this is why you need to clean your opener in the house, AC opener in the ceiling. This guys is we have a hurricane, so for now we can't do anything outside, so that's why I cleaning this with Clorox to kill the molds. Okay, so it is do like that. I take it off like that. Okay, so this is what I do, and then brush like that. Oh, wait, over here. This is what I do. That brush, it says bleach in it. Okay, bleach and soap for the hard spaces, hard to reach like that. And then after that I brush this too like this. That one I use this, and after that, see over here, I wash like this. I put it back like this. Okay, it's clean now, guys. Okay, hold on. Some more in here. See? So this one, guys, has bleach and soap right in it. Right. We turn it off. We have hurricane, guys. Hurricane better. That's why you see these leaves. We have a hurricane. There. See, it's all clean. Okay guys, it's on now at the end. You just manually do it because you don't want to break it. See, it's clean already. Ta-da!